Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 12th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus we have here, the one with 4 stars and the one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 8177. 8177. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25. The 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But it has 26 instead of 25 printed digits. Could be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. No, correction, 7 and 3. We have 7 and 3 in the last column, so no 7 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, and look, we have 2 and 8 in the middle row. No 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit the left should be the 1 then. Alright. Then let me see. 6, 1. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 place level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in this column, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. 7. Need a 7 here. Alright. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Okay. Then 60 there. Then need 6 here. Well, how about the number, yeah, 459, 459, 459, 459. Come on. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. On there, we have a 1 in this column, third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left, 1 should be here. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in the middle column. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. And now. Now. 5. Need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. And now, 6, 7, 9. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in the first row. No 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 7. Should be there. And we have a pair. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and a 7 in this column. First column, no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. And now, 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Alright. That means 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay, 7, 9, and overlooked 6 and a 9. We already have a 6 here in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Sometimes you overlook. 1 box left in this second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Alright, 4. And now, need a 7 here. Alright, 5, 9, 2. 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 259, 259, 259, and look, we have 2 and a 9 in the middle. No 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5 then. Alright. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright, 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so it'll come next down in place level 6, should be there. 6 and 9, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row only place level 6, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Yeah. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.